Okay, today we're going to go over question 4 from SAT Practice Test 1 from the Math Calculator section. This one's a pretty simple one. It reads, if 16 plus 4x is 10 more than 14, what is the value of 8x? So the way to do this is to translate this into an equation. So they say if 16 plus 4x is 10 more than 14, translated to algebra, that means that 16 plus 4x equals is the same thing as equals 10 more than 14. So that's 10 plus 14. So the way we want to do this is we want to combine like terms on both sides of the equation. So we've got this 4x on the left side, so we'll leave 4x over there on the left. And then we're going to subtract 16 from both sides. Okay. And that gives us 4x equals 10 plus 14 is 24, minus 16 is 8. And we could solve for x, but notice that the question is not asking for x, it's asking for the value of 8x. So we can actually manipulate this equation to show us what 8x equals. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides of the equation by 2, which will give us 8x. And that will tell us that 8x equals 16, and that's our answer.